If you're looking to use CrankWheel on an iPhone, you've come to the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the essential steps to start sharing your screen with ease and explain why CrankWheel might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Stick around till the end, where I'll show you a better solution that might better suit your needs. First, let's get started by downloading CrankWheel from the App Store. Just search for CrankWheel and tap the install button. Once it's installed, open the app. Next, when you launch CrankWheel for the first time, you'll need to sign in or create an account. CrankWheel has an easy sign-up process, but if you're looking for more advanced features, you'll need to choose a plan that fits your needs. After logging in, you're ready to start a session. The third thing you'll do is to start your screen sharing session. Simply tap the Share Your Screen button and follow the prompts. You'll be given the option to share either your entire screen or a specific app. This is a key feature, especially for sales teams or anyone needing to demo apps directly to clients. But remember, it's not the most versatile when compared to other tools in the market, which leads us to the next point. Now, CrankWheel's strength lies in its simplicity, but that's also where it can feel limited. Unlike other solutions, you won't find a lot of customizability in the interface or a wide range of interactive features. If you're looking for more engagement tools, like chat or annotations, CrankWheel might not deliver everything you need. Still, it's a great tool for quick and easy screen sharing without any setup hassle. The fourth thing to keep in mind is CrankWheel's screen sharing quality. In most cases, it's clear and lag-free, but depending on your internet connection and the device you're using, the quality might drop. On iPhones, the app generally performs well, but if you're streaming complex visuals or running apps with heavy graphics, you might notice some slowdowns. And here's the catch: while CrankWheel is a solid tool for basic needs, it doesn't offer the extensive integrations that some other software tools do. If you're using a CRM or need to sync with multiple apps, CrankWheel won't support that natively. Some competitors, however, offer better integrations, which is a big plus if you're working within a larger business ecosystem. Finally, let's talk pricing. CrankWheel offers a free trial, but it's limited in features. After the trial, you'll need to subscribe to one of their paid plans. It's not a huge investment, but if you're looking for a more feature-rich solution with a better overall value, CrankWheel might not be your best bet. Now, here's the good news. While CrankWheel might be great for quick screen sharing, we have a better alternative that's more flexible, offers a better user experience, and gives you more options for customization and integrations. This alternative also has an extended free trial, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits not available anywhere else. So, whether you're looking for something simple like CrankWheel or want to explore a more powerful tool, we've got you covered with a better option that's ideal for your needs. Click the link in the description for the best free trial and get started today.